Hello friends. This is the part 1 of CBDC series. In this video, we will discuss briefly about rise of private digital currencies, which are widely known as cryptocurrencies, and threats posed by its wider acceptance. So, let's begin. Nowadays, discussions on digital currencies are taking a center stage. With the rise of cryptocurrencies, investors are treating digital currencies as an asset class and would like to allocate some part of their investment portfolio to it. In fact, during the pandemic, investors were considering cryptos as an investment option, an alternative to gold. Very recently, banking sector concerns has put cryptocurrencies on the rise and again rekindled concerns on present banking system. Cryptocurrencies gain prominence due to falling faith in the present banking system. Especially after 2008 banking crisis, a section of people felt that the banking system is not safe and would like to set up a monetary system which is decentralized and not under the control of monetary authorities. They believe that central banks, especially developed market central banks, are taking advantage of their dominant currency status and following policies that are eroding value of currency. On the name of stimulating growth, central banks are pumping money in the banking sector, which is actually creating asset bubbles, rather stimulating growth. They believe that widely used developed market currency's value should be much lower than what it is perceived, and it is not reflecting their true economic health. Hence, they want to create a system which is decentralized and should be controlled by users, rather by central banks. This has led to rise of private digital currencies, like Bitcoin, etc. Now let's understand, what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a private digital currency, which uses cryptography to secure transactions. It is a digital payment system, which works peer-to-peer, and enable anyone to receive and make payments without intermediation of banks. This payment system is not backed by central banks, hence making it immune to government interference. Now let's learn about threats of private digital currencies. Though there are many threats which are being put up by cryptocurrencies, our discussion will revolve around 4 points. First, credit risk. Second, threat to present payment mechanism. Third, conduit for money laundering. And fourth, monetary policy impact. Let's discuss these in detail. First, credit risk. Private digital currencies sit at substantial odds to the historical concept of money. These are neither commodities nor claims on commodities, as they have no intrinsic value. Monetary authority-backed currencies are implicitly backed by economic resources of a country. Since cryptocurrencies are neither backed by any asset nor commitment by any sovereign authority, it is similar to unsecured commitments. In cryptocurrencies, even this relationship is also very complex. In case of companies or any authority, investors have share of residual value of assets, but cryptos are decentralized, and we don't know the real issuer. From credit risk perspective, risk involved in cryptos is the highest. Second, threat to present payment mechanism. Growth in popularity and acceptance of private digital currencies has posed a threat to prevalent payment mechanism. Presently, one currency backed by monetary authority is used for pricing. Wider acceptance of cryptocurrencies may result in multiple currencies in use, which will make pricing of products difficult. Further, there will be a challenge of interoperability, as multiple platforms will exist without any regulatory controls. It will not only bring further inefficiencies, but create monopolies and walled garden, which regulators want to break in the prevailing payment system. Moreover, it will make banking difficult. With multiple currency in use, intermediation activities of banking sector will be hampered, and may lead to lower credit growth. Claiming the benefits of decentralization, cryptocurrencies are being hailed as innovation that would support decentralized finance. However, I believe it will disrupt the traditional financial system and create more inefficiencies. Third, conduit for money laundering. Since private digital currencies are outside the control of governments and monetary authorities, it can be used as a conduit for money laundering and terrorism financing. Governments and regulators across the globe are keeping close eyes on usage of these currencies. Fourth and last one, monetary policies impacts. Since cryptos are not controlled by monetary authorities, they cannot change money supply to manage inflationary and disinflationary conditions. Moreover, central banks' monetary actions may become redundant to stimulate growth. Hence, it can make monetary action by central banks ineffective and destabilize economies. To conclude our discussion, the rise of cryptocurrencies is due to falling trust in present monetary system. It is an attempt to create a parallel monetary system which is decentralized and out of control of monetary authority. Further, libertarians believe that the government is misusing its powers and creating abundant money supply, hence eroding value of currency and purchasing parity term. Introduction of private digital currencies are posing threats to the society. Some of those threats we have discussed in this video. Hence, it is important to keep a check on rise of private digital currencies. So, here we wrap our discussion. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked the video. If you have any suggestion or feedback, you can reach us at info@sauceacademy.com or visit our website www.sauceacademy.com. You can also reach us through social media platform LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. To encourage us to share more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.